Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake blueberry. Start by measuring 1 cup of blueberries and 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Add 1 cup of milk and a tablespoon of honey if desired. Blend on high until smooth and creamy, scraping sides once. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness with more milk or ice cream. Serve immediately in a chilled glass with a straw and enjoy a vibrant homemade treat. Keep your milkshake rich by choosing full-fat ice cream and whole milk or a creamy milk alternative. For a colder, thicker shake, use frozen blueberries or add ice cubes sparingly. If you like texture, pulse the blender a few times instead of fully liquefying to keep small berry pieces. To brighten flavor, add a splash of lemon juice or a pinch of salt. Garnish with fresh berries or whipped cream before serving. Explore variations by adding mix-ins like a half banana for thickness or a tablespoon of almond butter for nuttiness. Stir in vanilla extract or cinnamon for warmth, or swap plain ice cream for Greek yogurt for tang and protein. For an adult twist, add a splash of liqueur or bourbon and blend briefly. If you want a thinner drink, pour in more milk. For thicker, add frozen fruit or extra ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.